Is that
He farted.
I farted.
Hello. Oh, he's sad.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, ay kaluoy sa dagway.
He's sad.
KJ, Jan is giving you the juice. I'll cook sa rice ha. Talk to him sa ha.
Mommy, just face.
His face. You like it there, Jack? Jack?
Stay up.
You don't know.
Ready?
Huh? You like maybe he's gonna puke. Smile, babe. Smile. Smile, Jack. Smile. Oh. Oh, yes. What is it? Smile ka? Huh? Smile? Ganahan ka diha. Huh? You like it there? Yeah. Oh! Sana lips, sana. Bah. Smile. Like this. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss.
No.
Ang sama na, Jack. Oh, smile day ka? Oh, smile ka, mommy? Huh? Smile ka, mommy?
Oh, yeah.
Smile si Jack kang mommy. Oh. Parang baboy ni Inden. Ipit na naman. Yeah, oh. Hello, everybody. Today is Father Day. Today is Father's Day. So, inaya ko itong dalawang mga bata kasi ang... Agay.
You will see on the camera.
Kasakit, nak.
Camera.
Kasakit, nak. Napakug ang aking kamay. Dalhin ko ito sila kay ilang papa nagpadungog-dungog kanina. Na-feel niya na yung na-feel ko ng Mother's Day na wala man lang nag-greet sa akin Mother's Day para man akong walang silbi dito sa bahay. Nagdrama-drama ako. Kaya may footage ako sa CCTV na ano yung sinabi niya.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go back to bed and close my door and just stay there for the day.
Why?
So I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
So upset.
Why?
Nobody greet me.
JJ! Happy Father's Day, Daddy! So today is lalabas kami, samahin ko ito sila para sila yung makapamili ng surprise nila para sa kanilang daddy. I-surprise natin si Wayne. Pero dala ko yung kanyang card. Kay ano man kanang pinadala niya. Pero yung bibilhin ko na para sa kanya later on is bibigay ng mga bata is galing sa akin naman. Hindi galing sa kanyang card. Kaya useless. Magpa-surprise pa taon niya. Sa kanya lang pala galing. Father's Day ba? All over the world. Happy Father's Day sa inyong mga asawa. Ay, asawa ba tawag dyan? Ba naman kasi yan sa amin sa Bisaya. Itong dalawa, ayaw sana nilang sumama. Nagagalit ako sa kanila dahil gusto lang nila doon sa bahay. Ayaw nila sumama sa akin. Si Jack lang yung aming iniwan dahil natulog naman si Jack. So ngayon, we'll see what can we do. We'll see kung sa kanilang daddy.
Mommy, can see JJ and me in the camera.
Yeah, I can. It's too hot this week, anak. Sabi ni Wayne, maglakad na lang kayo bukas. Kaya ang init nga. Maawa man ako
No,
sa
I
mga
don't want
bata.
to walk.
Why?
It's too long.
Too long? Arte kayo. Before bitaw, you always walk with mommy before. Yes?
I like walking while. It's because we was in the pram. Mommy, I like walking while holding people's hands and scooter.
And do you? I need to wash my car. Oh, look, there's a lot of spider webs and
Mommy, but
bird.
I don't like car much.
Why?
because it is young.
No more? Wala, sobrang busy anak. A bit busy. Dito kami mag-parking kaysa
Go park
meron
there.
sana akong i-pick up doon eh. Park,
Huh?
we'll just park here, okay? So we can go here, oh. We can pass in this, in that side.
That's what the big one.
Sige naman, mugno. Oy, kasamo kay na inyong sigig nuno na ko ay. Ano, di ta na mo
Mommy, I'm
ganun.
done. Mommy, I'm done with my dear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Coming out?
Mommy, but this.
Just leave that one here, in the side of the door, please. You know, dear? Dear. Here, oh. Cool. Oh. Yeah, okay.
I put it in my side.
Alright.
Put it on my side.
Close your door, please. Kani sila, pag hindi mo sabihan, wala itong gagawin. Okay. Hoy, be wait for mommy, kay there's a lot of car. We go this side? Yeah, we have to be careful because it's busy. Did I bring my phone lang? Where's mommy's phone? Oh, it's in here. Okay, wait. Wait sa anak. If I say go, go. Go now. Okay, this side.
Yeah, you know.
May pick up muna ako. Pick up muna ako dito. Sobrang busy pala, oy. Oh, we can go this, huh? Here. Ang dalawa, oh. I think nasira na itong camera ko na. I think my camera's broke. It keeps going upside down.
Mommy,
Yes?
remember the lens is gone.
Yeah, it's in the Philippines. I don't know if it's broke or not. You look, how are you going? Come here, let's cross here. Why it's so busy today? Lang diri na. Quick. Ang mga bata na to, gusto talaga nila maglakad.
Joe can work.
Is it? Did you broke that, Jenny?
No?
Who broke it? Where's the entrance, anak? I don't think this is the entrance lang. In the other side, nak. We go the other side. Are you feeling cold? Are you cold?
No.
No?
I like the
Me too. It's nice.
Mommy,
But it's a bit cold for mommy. Be careful. Oh, flowers. 50% off. Flowers. Nandito tayo sa entrance. Pag sulod ninyo, merong baliti. Na? Baliti man ni oh. Sorry? Yeah, mower. 25% off yung bulaklak nila. Orchid. Nak, look at the orchids. Oh, it's nice. Kani, oh, nice. There's a lot of like this in Philippines, anak. Ang aking lula dati ba, madami siyang ganito, oh. Ano ganito siya na bulak?
why is it pinky but not pinky?
No, there's no flower there, I think. It's a chair, Jenny. Mayroon silang mga gamit pang kuan, garden. Eka lang, nak. Lanak, ang limonsito lang, oh. May kuan, oh, limonsito. That's okay. This one is, yeah. This one's orchid's nice.
This is a cactus.
Yes.
Mommy, pink cactus. Mommy, these are called cactus.
Yeah, it is.
Mommy, is that pink or purple?
Oh, sorry. Come on. So, dito tayo maghanap ng kuan. Kay ang mga bata. Wow, I like this one, anak, oh. It's nice to have like this in the garden, no? Chair.
Mommy, remember we used to have a chair?
Yes.
But it's broken now.
Hala, nag-ingkod na si Jenny. Hoy, why are you sitting down?
Fake football.
Wow, that's nice. Candles. Dali na, mag-collect sa ta. Or do you wanna look outside? Mahal ka ido ang aking uncle bitaw di ba nagbebenta yung aking uncle nito niya pure ano jud siya pure rattan hindi kagaya nito na plastic. Uy, 750 na. Wow.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
That's
Ang mahal kaayo.
and that's summer. It's almost summer.
Sorry.
Mommy, is it summer or still spring?
Summer na, I think. I think it's summer.
I feel
Where do you wanna go? Shall we look if they have new strawberries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I wanna look outside.
Okay. Gusto daw nilang maglakad-lakad dito sa outside. Ilakad-lakad natin kay doon sa bahay lang. Wow, that's cute. Lang. Show Jenny. Jenny. It's watering can. It's so cute.
Mommy. Where does the water come from?
No, there's no water.
But where does it come from?
The water will go
Here.
here. See here?
It goes here. Mommy, it goes here.
Yes, it will go there.
Head.
There you go. Okay, let's go outside now. Wow, daming bulaklak. 12 pound na. Nasisira na jud aking kamera ay wala na siya sa ayos. Ano ganito na bulaklak sa atin? Mahal kay siya dito ay tag 12 pound. Ang dami na nilang bulaklak dito. Nak, dali nak, let's look at if they have fruits lang. Oh, that's nice, nak. Oh,
Mommy,
yeah.
I like this color.
Do you? Pink. Dali na. Oh, narao blackberry nak. They have blackberry. Jenny, oh, they have blackberry. Uy, ganito na yung blackberry ko sa bahay. Ganito na yun kalaki. Tag 20 pounds siya na.
Blueberry.
Blueberry di ay. Not blackberry. Ito oh, mabango to. Ay, mabaho. Mabaho man pala. Where is it?
This is another blueberry.
Yeah, that's a little one. How much? 5 pounds. Wala, kabisi nila. There! Strawberry! Nak, dara strawberry nak oh. Hala, oy, mahala.
This is a lucky berry.
Yes, lucky berry. Why does strawberry have red flower? In the house is white. Why this one have red? Look, first time ko makakita ng strawberry red.
Where's the strawberry?
Why it says red?
Mommy, where's the strawberry?
That one, the strawberry
inside the-
summer.
Is it in the little one?
Yeah, it's in there. Ha? But mahal kay siya, tag 6 pound. I don't know anak why. Mahala po. Hala na pag yun. Oh, iba-iba lagi yung kulay niya. Oh, first time ko. Akala ko puti lang yung strawberries. Ha? Yeah, cause that one includes storage. Nak, look, there's a strawberry here.
Strawberry.
Mura po mong way strawberries balay, oy.
Mommy, why does it say lucky berry?
Lucky berry? Cause maybe it's lucky.
Lucky. Look.
Mahal man, nak.
This opens as well. Mommy, what is that?
That one is like this. I don't know that plant. Yeah, that is a storage, anak.
Raspberry.
Yeah?
Black carrot.
Blackcurrant and blueberries. It's a storage, Jennifer. Jenny,
So we can put this
let's go here.
apple.
Apples. Namatay na ang apple. Walay kuan. Walay unsa-unsa.
Pear.
Oh, wow, look.
Mommy, look at these flowers.
Wow, they have blue flowers.
I don't want
Nag-i-enjoy sila pag dito. Wala na, yun lang. Kunti lang yung halanak. Oh, this, may bunga ang kuan, raspberry. Uy.
have these.
Yes. Nak, come here, gani lang. The raspberry have... Kunin natin ang bunga ng raspberry. This one have fruits. This one. Natag 25 man. Ayan oh.
Where's the raspberry?
Ha, where there's no toilet here.
Is that right? Hey, why did you take it off?
Nak, mommy will go in the prison. Can you eat it?
No.
May mga kuan dito, Pilipino. Here,
I'm the hug.
eat it. Eat it!
I
Eat it ba?
don't want to go to jail.
Eat it, Jenny. Try it. You wanna try?
No, you. No.
Para man siyang rose, oy.
Mommy. Why did you take it out?
Because it's yummy.
I taste it. It is sour and sweet.
What's this?
Mommy, look at this color. Yeah, it's sweet.
They have different flowers.
That is sweet. That is sweet.
Mm.
That's in is sweet.
Sweet, sour.
No, sweet.
Pasok na tayo dito, oy, kaya magkolekta kami. Yeah, it's nice. Magkolekta kami ng aming binili. Ay, kabisi naman. Oy, doon sa Morrison, busy. Dito, busy.
Mommy, remember that light?
Yes? Light we buy. We bought. For daddy.
Mommy,
Yes?
is it?
I like this one, anak, oh. That's fake.
Mommy,
That one is fake. This one is real. We have like this. Uy, madami kaming ganito dati, oh. Yan, cotton. Yes.
Mommy.
Yes?
But do you have Mommy, have cards.
Yes, they have.
Mommy,
Yeah?
Mommy, we can get the card in after.
They have in Morrison's as well. Gusto ko ganito, oh. Nak, it's nice, oh. But it's too
Is
expensive.
that round one a blossom or no?
Yeah, round. It's fluffy. But it's so expensive for one piece. Bati man yung sa bahay nato, nak, no? Pangit kay itong sa balay, ay.
Wait, Mommy, this crate have this?
I like this one, oh.
Mommy, this crate have this and this one.
Yes.
And I like this.
Let's go na.
This crate is that have that
Oh,
friend.
kaganda, nak. Yes.
You look at one looks like light.
Yeah, there's a lot of colors, anak.
And this one, Mommy, we can
Dito kami magkolekta.
here.
Yes. Mga bata, ito, pagdalhin mo dito, boy, mabutan ka ng whole day. How to press it, anak? Hala, walang mga maliliit na trolley. Come here. They don't have any. Oh, how about this one lang?
Huh?
That one na.
No.
No?
Yeah, because it says daughter.
Okay. That one card. Wait there. I think that goes here. Yeah.
Mommy, but I want Mommy, will this
That's
fit?
for birthday, Jennifer.
Mommy,
Yeah.
just-
Or this one. I don't know. How much is this? That's 50.
No, but
That
too
one's more
big.
nice. Yeah?
But how does will it fit?
That's cake, Jennifer. I don't know. It won't fit.
How about
No?
like that?
Like that, I think. Shall we try it? Magkuha daw sila ng cake. Hoy, that's too big, anak. Here. Ako rin pala namili. Here.
That
See?
one. What you just said.
That's too big.
That one.
This one. We put Daddy here. Ha, Happy Father's Day.
What? Daddy?
I'll pay for that one. The one for Daddy.
What?
Yeah. I'll pay for this. Daddy surprise. Yeah.
And you use Daddy's card for
Yes. Daddy's card for that one. You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Ay, wait sa. Mag-get sa Daddy's kuan. Coffee. Jessica, get your Coco Pop snack. Tignan nyo, ang pilian yan nan kay ang yung mura. Yeah, okay. Yeah, mumurahin yung kinuha. Now we get coffee first and then we go to the ice cream aisle.
Mommy?
Yes?
I forgot how to say ice cream in Welsh.
What is it? I don't know how
No,
to
I
say it.
forgot.
Oh, you forgot.
But I know it now because I looked on that. I remember because it says it on the
Yeah? Okay.
like something like Did you say you went in the machine?
Yes. The chicken thing? Yeah, it went in the machine, right? You excited to surprise Daddy? Yeah? Get down then. Hindi pa namin siya nakita ng ako ng bullpen. Jessica! Go in the sun. Go upstairs and write something.
Daddy, now you're king. Now you're king.
Okay.
Yeah. What? Just stay in the room and then close the door.
Uy, pag ganyan-ganyan pa siya. Kunin ko lang yung cake doon. Joke lang, Miss Jenny. Oy. Where is that? No.
Mommy, I want to be in the car.
Car?
Yeah, I want to be. Now open the door. But I need to get.
Go get the pen then. Kaya, ito muna ito kayo. Hindi ko nagising si Jack. Tulog kasi siya.
Okay, Mommy, in the car. Can I say the piano down?
What?
I set it down.
I think that's enough. Pistol. Ay, akala ko nahulog na. Yeah?
Right.
Ne.
What I write?
Love. You say thank you so much for everything.
No,
Daddy.
that's crayon.
Okay, just that's your name and Jenny. Come, go upstairs. And Jack. Pinatago yung kanilang daddy. Hindi nila pinababa. Agay, ang asa na to nila. Tapos, wala natin yung cake. Yan na. May pa-Father's Day. Hindi ko pa na-decorate yung puan. May i-decorate sana ako nito eh. Yung idikit na lang natin dito. Did you write?
You said.
Ito ba? Guntingin ko pa ito. Idikit ko dito. Si Jenny. Sinabihan yung kanyang daddy na huwag daw i-open ang door. Hindi ata maigo to sa cake. So, liitan ko na lang pagkat.
From do I write from at the start?
Yeah, okay.
What to say?
Happy Father's Day. Ito kaya yung daddy kay huwag man na siya nag-expect. Anak. I-tape natin. Gusto ko sana sa taas. Niya kay hindi ko man nakuanan. Ganyan ko na lang sa taas na lang yung cake. Simple surprise. To make him happy. Kay it's Father's Day. Yes. JJ doon nagsulat ng kanilang kuan. Ayaw nyo nang magpasalamat kay Twins daw. Okay na yan? Nakahimo-himo. Bring this. The cake. Jenny, you bring this, Jenny.
This. What?
Quickly, hey, Jack is crying. Okay, quick, quick. Wait. Oh, wait.
Mommy, I don't want it.
Go.
Hold it.
Jenny. Agoy, oy. Oy, klaro, oy. Oy, daddy. Sige, magkag-bike, ana, oy.
Oh, thank you very much.
There. Look, watch that.
Happy Father's Day, oh my baby.
Oh, natumba. Disaster.
No.
You have to read that one.
From your little cubs, for you, Daddy. From Jessica and Jenny and Jack. Lots of love. Happy Father's Day. Oh my God, I got cry.
What did you think is that? It's the cake. I just put this one on top.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, both of you.
I said, Jessica, you should write Happy Father's Day. Thank you for everything. You know what she said? No, it's cringe.
Thank you, my baby.
The teacher said to put bow on the end of something in school, and then I said it's cringe.
Why?
Best gift ever.
Are you emotional?
Yeah.
You think nobody greet you?
I was only playing this morning, man.
No, we already planned it before it. Lang no?
I was only playing.
Me and JJ early in the morning. I said, JJ, you want to come Morrison's with mommy?
Oh. It's made difference.
Oh yeah, super. Is that the one that I picked in BNQ?
Yeah, just now. I just tried a little bit by there to see if it works.
Siguro siya addiction niya, oh. Yes, nice. Di ba nakita niyo yung sa CCTV, nagreklamo siya? Honey, your card is here. That's
What card?
32, that one. It's the only map.
They're nice.
No, what card?
And that's the chicken. Honey, I don't know
Oh, that's the one,
you
2 in 1,
have
yeah.
to take it from the box because the chicken sauce
Yeah.
went in there.
It's okay, there's the...
Oh.
the
Yes?
What a card? What card?
What card?
Indonesia.
Huh?
card is in the TV, by the TV.
The card that you gave to daddy. Chicken. Banana, ahos. Wala mo. Aram ito ako nagpapalit. Ayo. Tapos ahos. Yun lang. What do you want to drink? Oh, you want to drink the kuan juice?
Wow.
The carrot juice?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, the baby's crying? Huh? He is crying. Wait there. Oh, kaluoy. Gulingin kaya kung bana, no?
Want to know what's going on?
Ah, he's crying. Kalamian niya juice. Ayun, nagkuan so symbol-symbols kanyang bike. Hello, Jack! It's in there. I put it in that glass.
Oh yeah.
Hello! Are you hungry?
It feels hot, don't it?
Yeah.
So you need to come up. Excuse me.
Ngain tayo. Kayo na mag-intindi sa aking pagkain. Tapos ito, yung bukog kay Wayne. Ayan ba? Hindi siya kumakain ng bukog. Ako na lang kakain nitong bukog. You like it there, Jack? Jack?
Stay up.
Nasa kuan ng kanyang papa. Ayan o, kanyang papa.
You don't know.
Ha? You like maybe he's gonna puke. Smile, babe. Smile. Smile, Jack. Smile. Oh. Oh, yes. What is it? Smile ka? Huh? Smile? Oh. Ganahan ka diha. Huh? You like it there? Yeah. Oh, sana lips sana. Bah. Smile. Like this.
This.
Kiss.
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 No.
Ang sama na, Jack. Ah. Oh, smile dai ka? Oh, smile ka, mommy? Huh? Smile ka, mommy?
Oh, yeah.
Eh? Smile si Jack kang mommy.
Daddy